let's see what we can do, shall we? Okay, so as you can see, I've taken it apart. What happened, this has only got 2 little nails in there that are not going to hold the drawers, and the same at the bottom. So, and here it has come apart just there, so then it's fixing here, and this side as well is a bit out of place, so I need to go and get some glue and some clamps to see if I can put this back together. Cool. Let's take this. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is pull these nails out so I can fit this back in, because I think I'll have to fit it all together at once and put some glue in it and see if I can still use these old nails. Anyway, so that's the plan, but I need to attend this side too, glue it there. So clamp it down, but I need to clamp it that way as well, because here is will come in our place. So let's get some small clamps too and then start gluing. Doing multitask today, so I've decided to wash the covers of my sofas as well. So let's see if the rain doesn't come and spoils the game. Okay, so let's see how this goes in there. Here. Clamp that together. What I've done is I glued it here because this was away from there. So before I put that part together there, I need to make sure this lined up. So it's gluing there, and this bit here also glued together. So I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna attend to the laundry and then come back and carry on with the rest. So yeah, doggies are all happy by the fire. So that's done. Now, which way does this go? This way. So what I need to do is put some glue here. So I've glued it up there, down there, and there and there. So I do need to just be patient so then I can attend to this top bit here, because this is screwed in there and I was pushing the screw in, is pushing this panel out. So I need to make sure that's all in place before I start screwing it in. So let's let this glue dry and then attend to this side. I just put some glue here and here. And now I'm gonna try and put these clumps together. This way. And now just clean that glue. And be patient. Just be patient and let it dry. Meanwhile, I have to attend to the laundry again. Like multitasking today. Cool. Good morning. So it's the next day. This has been here for nearly 24 hours. So let's take these clamps out. Hey, looks like it worked. Okay, so as I was looking at this table, I don't even know where we got it from. I love the rusticness of it, but it's got so many marks on the top that I've decided to go and sand it and just put some wax or oil on it and bring it back to life. And at the same time, it treats the wood. So that's my job for today. And yes, our Frenchies are very noisy and they're like my shadow. So wherever I am, is always a dog grunting or sniffing or doing something. Hey! As you can see, this is full of cup marks and all sorts of different things, and some of the varnish has come off, so I'm just gonna sand it and bring it back to life. It just needs a little bit of TLC because it's a beautiful piece of furniture. So let's make some noise here. Okay, is all the stains are taken out and the varnish. So I used 80 grit and now I'm gonna do 120 to just make it a bit smoother. So when I put the wax, it gives a nice satin finish to it. Okay, so I ended up doing 120 and then 180, and it's all nice and smooth now. So I'm gonna clean it and then I'm going to wax it, see if I can get away with it before it rains, because it looks like rain is coming. But it's all so much better now. Got rid of all the stains, which was the main thing, but it also brings out all these beautiful wood grit and designs that I absolutely love. So yeah, let's clean it and wax it. Let's see. Looks beautiful already. Wow, it looks absolutely amazing. I watch so many channels of furniture repair and upcycling, and there's this particular one that really inspires me, and it's John's what's it called, John's Furniture Repair, and she absolutely does everything. She works with antiques, and it's really inspires me. I just really enjoy watching these channels where people take a little bit of trash and make it look beautiful, come to life again. Especially working with wood is just incredible what you can do. And if you can hide your repairs, and it's really so satisfying. And of course I've got loads of bits of furniture that I accumulate, and I thought now spring is coming, it's time to start again, because I thoroughly enjoy this. Very satisfying. I wasn't going to do this one yet until the drawers fell out, but now it's repaired and it has got a bit of makeup on and it's going to look lovely. So as you can see, it looks brand new. Look at the grain on that. It come out beautifully. I don't know how old this piece of furniture is, but it's not a new one. And I decided to leave some bits on, like, let me just take the phone out of here. That's better. So bits like here, for example, is a crack there, but it's secure. Is character. I think it was like that when I bought it, but it just looks amazing. So now I need to do the drawers and then buff this once it's all dry. And yeah, I am really pleased that I decided to do this. Good, let's get the drawers. Now I'm gonna work on the drawers. They're a bit yucky, a bit grubby. And funnily enough, the hinge is the same setup as the little table that I just restored. Very heavy wood, but they do look a bit grubby. Just need to give them a bit of life, I guess. So let's see what we can do with this. Very neat. There. Now it's all sanded, So now I'm just gonna give it a clean so then I can wax it. Okay, so it's all nice and waxed and smooth. I also cleaned the little handles, so now I'm gonna put them in, see if I can put them the way they were. Let's try this. Oh. Let's hope I don't break them. I've already broken one. Yeah, there you go. One done. Cool. There we go. All done. And now I'm gonna take them in and put them back on the table and see the difference it makes. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, they've got a number. Let me see. 20, 19, 18 is on this side. 20. Okay. Let's see. Oh! Look at that. Ta-da! And this is 18, which is here. Goodness, it fits. I was a bit worried because I glued the table together that drawers weren't going to fit. But those 2 feet, keep fingers crossed, I'll get the other 2. All sorted. Solved the little problem on this side as well. So it's all working nicely. Running beautifully. And this table definitely has a new lease of life. So now I just have to pack all the rubbish back in. There's an opportunity to sort out all the rubbish that I kept in the drawers. So I'm gonna do that now, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little makeover of my table, and just leave a like and a comment.